Hello, students and families. Today I'm back with some more test taking tips. My name is Mrs. C, and I want you to do your very best when you are taking a test. Today we're going to look at some context clues and how to find and use those when you're reading something that you're not sure about. Let's look at some different examples of context clues together. Context clues are hints around a word that will help you discover the meaning of an unknown word. Here are some types of context clues you can look for. Examples. Let's look at this example. She communicates by texting, calling, and emailing. If we're not sure what the word communicates means, we can look at these examples of what you can do when you communicate. You can text, you can call, or you can email. When I send a text or give a phone call to someone, I'm talking to them or sharing information with them. So that means communicates has to do with sharing information. Here's another type you can look for. Definitions. The company was established or started in 1925. If you don't know what the big word established means, look right here, right after it between these two commas. Or started. It is defining or telling you what this word means. Established means started. This is a definition built right into the sentence. Another example of a context clue could be synonyms. The petite kitten was the smallest one she had ever seen. Do you know what the word petite means? Maybe not, but let's keep reading about this petite kitten. It was the smallest one she had ever seen. So petite means very small. Synonyms mean they have a same or similar meaning. Petite and small mean the same or a very similar thing. Antonyms are opposite. That means not the same, very different. It was frigid inside, but outside it was very hot. But usually means two things don't go together. So it's frigid inside, but outside it's very hot. Okay, if it's very hot outside and it's not the same inside, frigid must mean it's very cold inside. It's the opposite or a very different meaning. That is an antonym. The last one is inferences. They were persistent as they hiked through rain and mud. When we inference, we're using what we already know to come up with a good idea of what something could mean. So if it says they were persistent as they hiked through rain and mud, think about how you might need to act if you were hiking through rain and mud. Do you think it's easy to do that or a little hard? Do you think you might have to keep going and work hard? Yeah. So persistent means not giving up, working through something, doing your best. All right, guys, these were some tips for using different types of context clues you might see in some of the questions, passages, and answers on a test. Remember to use the information you have right in front of you to help you pick the very best answer. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.